Today I am going to do my pistachio crusted salmon with berry sauce. And the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the sous vide by preparing the bags. But let me tell you, it is the gateway drug to have all the right stuff to do a sous vide. So I'm going to use the machine by first sealing the bag and then vacuum sealing. It took me a little while to figure this out because the instructions are terrible on these things. It really is as simple as placing the edge of the bag into the machine, pressing down, and then pressing seal. And then you need to season your salmon fillets. Don't ever wash your fish. And I've said this before, but if you need to wash your fish, you're buying the wrong fish. And you can season your fish with anything. I just do olive oil, some fleur de sel. I bought the very best possible wild king salmon. I'm using this incredible fleur de sel and pretty expensive olive oil. And then of course my berries are all organic when I can get them, and then the herbs are what the herbs are, though I do grow my own herbs. All these recipes are going to be on Galavante, but I like to see how the berries evolve naturally without sugar and without cornstarch, and I only use it in case I need it and the sauce isn't thick enough. Those of you who have cooked with me before know that I always preheat my pan before adding in the olive oil. And about 5 minutes later, this is the sauce. I added a little sugar to it, but I'm gonna let it simmer for another few minutes. Out. Perfectly cooked salmon.